You're watching 13 News, Kansas News Leader.
Welcome back to Midday in Kansas. I'm now joined by Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission. We are talking salads today. We have a summer fruit salad with a raspberry dressing, which will be nice on those hot summer days over the next couple of months.
I love this idea because in July we're going to be doing kids' ideas for them. But this is a perfect way for kids to get involved in the kitchen with this salad as well, because we're going to let everyone create their own salad. And we're using a lot of different fruits. Go to the farmer's market and let the family pick out different ones. Even if you go to the grocery store, there's so many varieties of fruit. Try some ones that you haven't tried before.
And what a fun idea for the kiddos. I would love it if my mom let me run wild in the grocery store, picking out all the different fruits I wanted.
Absolutely. And so I'm going to let you get started.
Okay.
I put some leaf lettuce there that the kids would love tearing apart and making that. But then we have blueberries and strawberries and pears and these beautiful red plums that you can create whatever you'd want. And while you're doing that, I'm going to make the dressing. Inside here we have 1/3 cup of raspberry jam.
Okay.
It's simple. There's only 3 ingredients in this. Then we have cider vinegar and some vegetable oil. And one of the great things about making your own dressing is that you can make different kinds of jam in here. Try different things.
Ooh, yeah.
Make sure that's locked. This would be a good idea for the kids. They could help make the dressing to go with it.
Just shake it
and
up.
then just shake it and make sure you have it on tight, and that's all there is to it. And I'll let you drizzle that on yours when you get it done.
Oh, yum.
Well,
Okay.
look how pretty you did.
I tried to make a little smiley face.
Oh, you did, didn't
but
you?
it didn't really work out.
Oh,
Thanks, though, Charlene.
I think it looks great. I can see that plum smile
Maybe
there.
this dressing will help out a little bit. Ooh, that'll be good with the jam in there.
It will be.
All right.
So, easy recipe. Go and get the fruits. The other recipe I have here is a couscous salad. It's got roasted vegetables in it. We've roasted red pepper, broccoli, and red onion. 15 minutes at 425, cut it up, and then put a little bit of vegetable oil on it, and it'll roast and get nice and brown. And then it's 3 cups, and this is the pearl couscous. Put that all together, let it cool. You can serve it hot or cold, and then put 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, and that makes it have that just a little bit of punch to it for a great salad. But it was one of our favorites a couple years ago, so I thought I'd show that as another idea.
Well, we're glad you brought it back. Such a quick and easy recipe, too, and very light for summertime.
Absolutely.
Thanks for joining us, Charlene.
Thank
What's
you.
the website people can get these recipes at?
KansasSoybeans.org.
All right, and thank you for joining us for Midday in Kansas. We'll see you starting tomorrow morning at 5 a.m.
And the latest news.